Stand in Tadasana mountain pose with your hands on your hips. Lift and spread the toes of your right foot while grounding down through its ball and heel. Press the toes down to create a solid foundation and bend your knees and try to sit your hips back slightly. Lift your left leg and cross it over your right thigh. You can snake the toes of your left foot behind your right calf, or you can place them on the floor or a block beside your standing foot. Take a few breaths here to find your balance. Then you can try version 1. Goal post your arms by lifting them to shoulder height and flexing your elbows to a 90-degree bend, and bring your arms in front of your chest while drawing your shoulder blades away from each other. Lengthen through the spine and tighten your core. Keep your gaze and breath steady and relaxed. Or you can try version 2. Because your left leg is over your right, cross your right arm over your left and then wind the right forearm around the left. Bring your palms together with your fingers pointing up and keep your torso as upright as possible, shoulders in line with your hips. Re-engage your shoulder blades by broadening across your chest and deepen the posture by lifting your arms up towards the sky whilst maintaining the integrity in your shoulders and core. You shouldn't feel as though your shoulders are crowding your neck or that your low ribs are lifting away from the front of your pelvis. Try to play with sitting a bit deeper into the squat, but being mindful to maintain the tripod effect. To release from the pose, untwist the arms, lift up and out from the bent knees, returning to mountain pose, and repeat the posture on the other side.